Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to be guiding you through how to delete your Margex account. If you are looking to delete your Margex account permanently, then you have come to the right place. First of all, launch open your Margex application on your mobile device, or you may also visit margex.com on a web browser. Now log into your account like you normally do, and once logged in, go ahead and tap on the settings button at the bottom right corner. From the settings menu that appears on the screen, scroll all the way down and look for the delete account button in red. Tap on delete account if you're sure you'd like to delete your account. On the next page, confirm that you want to delete the account by tapping on delete my account. Select any region while you are trying to delete or remove the account, and then you can tap on the delete account button to finally confirm that you are trying to delete your account permanently. After you do that, you'll be able to delete your account. Once you do that, all of your funds, trading history and personal data will be removed. So make sure to withdraw any remaining funds before initiating the deletion process. But if you're sure you'd like to delete the account, then you can go ahead and do it right away. So that is how you can easily do it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.